Social commerce is a very profitable tactic for brands, given that consumers worldwide spent more than $958 billion on buying on social media in 2021. Traditional e-commerce is very much calculated. It requires a customer's active effort to be aware of and identify their needs before proceeding to a retail site. However, buying on social media is much more spontaneous because people are inspired by what pops up on their feeds. Studies show that 60% of people discovered a product via a social feed, and 55% were moved to buy immediately if the brand provides a convenient shopping and checkout experience within the social media app. SleekFlow has launched a whole suite of Facebook and Instagram conversion optimization tools. These tools are perfect for product launches, seasonal promotions, influencer takeovers, and O2O campaigns. It helps beauty, fashion, leisure, and consumer goods brands drive their sales without spending a lot of money on ads. Firstly, how do you get a product pushed to the top of the audience's news feeds? The answer is comments and DMs, the social media algorithms, darling. Automatically replying to every single comment on your post is essentially leveraging user-generated content to increase engagement without a huge boosting budget coming from your pocket. SleekFlow's comment conversion automation tool is here to help you hack the social media algorithm to achieve greater visibility and drive sales results effectively. You'll only need to set the keyword triggers, time conditions, and texts for the automated replies on SleekFlow. Choose where this automation rule shall apply, such as on a specific post, or all of the updates on your Facebook and Instagram accounts. As a result, whenever someone leaves a comment on your post or live stream video, they will get an instant reply in the comment section and in their message inbox. Automated replies drive more engagement through comments and DMs with less effort. A post with a higher engagement rate is deemed valuable and relevant and will get pushed to a larger group of users, spiking the organic impression and reach without spending tons of money to boost the post. One of the biggest challenges of social media marketing is making money from it. It's frustrating when people are highly engaged in your viral content, but aren't really interested in your core product. With these tools, you are empowered to convert traffic into leads by running product-led marketing campaigns that attract and identify prospects with real potential. For example, by encouraging your audience to participate in your giveaway contest post, you can easily capture those interested in your products or services and continue the conversations in DMs to qualify these leads later. We know selling on social media with pay-per-click ads can be very challenging because measuring the monetary return on ad spending based on the number of clicks is difficult. How great would it be if there was a way to build a sales funnel from the consumers showing interest by interacting with your page to closing deals in chat? Well, we are here to spoil you. Upon driving valuable leads from shoppable posts, merchants can generate a payment link for one-click checkout that can lead to at least a 30% increase in conversion. With this easy and straightforward link, getting paid instantly in DMs will be effortless, and you will be able to track things that happen at every stage in the conversion funnel to drive lasting sales performance. Automation rules that work with keywords can quickly learn about the user's intention and segment your customer database. Next time you run a targeted campaign, just pull the customer list with a chat history that contains one or more keywords. At SleekFlow, we offer many other automation features across popular social and messaging apps. That includes chatbots, personalized greeting messages, scheduled promotional messages, drip campaigns, booking reminders, and customer segmentation, making up a comprehensive set of strategies. Another bonus feature of SleekFlow is the integration of Facebook lead ads. By saving your potential customers from the hassle of filling out forms, their details can be easily collected for you to reach out to them. Through SleekFlow, you will no longer have to manually key in these customer details, as they will be saved automatically into the customer database with each incoming lead from Facebook. It is entirely free to use. Why not give it a try? Sign up now if you want to be one of the first to see these new features in action. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about how to run and grow a social commerce business.